Our today's recipe is cabbage kutu. The ingredients are half cup of red lentils or masoor dal. You can even use the tur dal here. 2 cups of thoroughly washed and chopped cabbage. 5 to 6 curry leaves. 1/4 teaspoon to 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Around 3 to 4 cups of water. 1 1/2 to 2 teaspoon of ghee. Half cup grated coconut. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon urad dal. Half teaspoon black pepper. Pinch of hing. 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera. Wash these lentils thoroughly, and to this washed lentils add around 3 cups of water, 1/4 teaspoon of oil and little bit of turmeric powder. Cook this on medium heat, and we have to add the chopped cabbage when the lentils are half cooked. Make sure to stir in between. It's been 5 to 6 minutes. Dal is half cooked. To this we are adding this chopped cabbage and curry leaves. Mix it once and allow it to cook on a medium heat. Now to prepare the masala, heat half teaspoon of ghee on a medium heat in a pan or a ladle. To this add urad dal, cumin seeds, pepper, and fry it until the dal turns golden brown. Dal turned golden brown now, so I'm going to turn off the heat and add this coconut. Mix it and let it cool completely before we grind it. Grind this masala to a fine paste. We can add around like half cup of water. We have this masala ready. Also we have this cooked dal and cabbage ready. Reduce the heat and add salt. Add this masala. Mix it well and let it cook on medium low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Consistency of the kutu will be like this. I added around like 3/1/4 cup of water. So depending on the consistency, you can add more or less water. It's been boiling from past 6 minutes and the kutu is ready. Turn off the heat and we'll give the seasoning. To prepare the seasoning, heat 2 teaspoons of ghee or oil in a ladle. Once the ghee is hot enough, add hing, mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds pop, add cumin seeds. Then turn off the heat and add this seasoning to the kutu. Now the cabbage kutu is ready. Serve this as a side dish to rice, chapati, dosa or idli. I hope you enjoy making this. For more recipes, visit foodandremedy.com. Thank you.